This is a Outrigger hydroplane built and designed by myself, Shannon Hall. We have a 7.5 kmb inboard engine, 2 6-ounce fuel tanks. Believe it or not, a Mac 3.5cc tune pipe, which I have a 7.5 coming, but that's what I had, so that's what I'm running. Go to the stern of the boat. We have a modified by myself Noctura X648 prop, which is not made for an Outrigger, but I modified it to work because that's what I had. Pretty sweet looking boat, huh? We'll see what it's gonna do. Here's the pilot, my son, Michael Hall. He's gonna be piloting this bad Outrigger hydroplane around this lake. Okay, we're gonna fire it up. I'm about to set down the camera for a second, and then we will be back. Spun it out. Good job. Okay, as you can see, my son hooked it. We got a little bit of parts flying around here. Not too bad though. We got the pipe hanging off and we got the cowling sticking straight up, which, you know, I don't see any damage. I just brought it to the bank and we're gonna take it to the shore and we're gonna check it out. But everything looks pretty good. Pretty good running boat, huh? All right, till next time, see you guys.